Let me say this clearly, extremely clearly. I am a juicy gay Igbo man who is glowy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered. For some of you who are always saying to me that I should stop saying that I'm an Igbo man, I am an Igbo man first. I know some of you are brainwashed. Some of you think that being a homosexual is a sin. Some of you think that by insulting me and telling me to find Jesus, telling me to repent, telling me that my life don't spoil, that I should go to hell, that the world is ending, that I'm a sinner, is going to change anything. Homosexuality is not a sin. Being a gay man is not a sin. Homosexuality is a natural variation of human sexuality. Some of you are suffering from religious psychosis. How do you not like somebody? You claim that you don't like me, you claim that I'm going to go to hell, but you are constantly on my page, speaking to me, trying to get my attention, trying to have conversations with me, obsessed with what I do sexually. Gay people, queer people don't sexualize our existence. It is some of you straight people, in quote, who claim that you are not gay are the ones who are always obsessed with this. My dear, go and marry your pastors. Go and marry whoever you want to marry. Leave me the alone. I am a gay man that everybody in my village knows I'm a homosexual. I have said this time and time again. If you think that they don't know, I am happy for you to pick up a wood gong and a metal gong and go to the Eke market in my village and announce it to them. I am not ashamed of who I am. I'm not a sinner. The so-called God that a lot of you are weaponizing all the time created me. That same God created me. Any belief system that tells you that you are wrong, that you are going to go to hell, that is condemning you, it's not spiritual. You should not be there. If you are an LGBTQIA plus individual who is around people like this that are always telling you, constantly telling you that you are going to go to hell, that is not a belief system you should be around. Okay? I was born a homosexual. You cannot pray it away. You cannot insult it away. There is nothing whatsoever you can do to change me. I am not pretending to be somebody that I'm not. I am not pretending to be a straight man and get married to somebody's daughter. I'm with a man. I love men. I love the body of men. I love to kiss men. I love everything about a man. A lot of you are so broken that you want other people to be in the same shoes as you. My dear, take your frustration to somewhere else. Leave Charles the alone. Leave LGBTQI plus individuals the alone. If you do not like something, what do? You scroll past it. You have a thumb. Move the away. You don't have to be here. I will continue to be the glowy, juicy, sexy, hydrated, moisturized, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected Igbo homosexual from Njiko.